In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I built a conversational AI avatar with HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank dashboard to a polished avatar video that sounds natural and engaging. First, open your browser and head to the HeyGen homepage. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land on a clean dashboard designed for creating AI-driven video content. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and select the avatar section. This is your workspace for building videos that feature digital presenters and, with the right script, feel conversational and human. Next, choose New Video. This opens a fresh project where HeyGen provides a simple canvas for your script and avatar settings. Think of it as your studio, one place for writing, styling, and generating the final clip. Now, type your script into the script field. For a conversational feel, write the way you speak. Keep sentences clear and concise, vary the rhythm, and add small connectors like so, now, or let's to guide the listener. If you want natural pacing, include brief pauses with commas or short lines, and give your avatar context early. State the goal in the first two lines so viewers immediately understand what they'll learn. If you spot jargon, replace it with plain words. Read it aloud once. If you trip on a phrase, simplify it. With the words in place, adjust the look of the avatar by selecting Change Look of Avatar. Choose a style that matches your message: professional for tutorials, friendly for onboarding, or bold for promotional content. Consider the background and clothing palette so they don't clash with on-screen text you might add later. Aim for good contrast and minimal distractions. Consistency helps. If you plan a series, keep the same avatar look to build recognition. When everything feels right, click, submit, or simply press enter. HeyGen will process your script and generate the video, syncing the avatar's facial movements to your narration. Rendering time varies. Let it finish, then preview the result. If the delivery needs tweaks, maybe a sentence is long or a transition feels abrupt, return to the script, refine a line or two, and submit again. Small edits can make a big difference in clarity and pacing. That's the full workflow. Open HeyGen, go to Avatar, start a new video, write a conversational script, refine the avatar's look, and submit to generate. Follow these steps and you'll have a crisp, natural-sounding AI avatar video ready to share.